everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analysis, and also welcome back to the Excel Matrix training. Yes, we've been on for 2 weeks and this is our third week. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please click the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click the notification button to receive update from all the tutorial that we share. So this is another tutorial on Power Query Editor. Like I said, in week 3 we are going, like I said yesterday, that we are going to be learning how to use Power Query Editor to clean data in Microsoft Excel. So this is what we are doing now. So in day 2 of our Power Query Editor, we are using another case scenario to do that. So now you can check yesterday or tutorial on how we started Power Query Editor. So now we go into Power Query to check that. So now this is what we want to achieve today. Like we have 5 salesmen here. This data, we have 5 salesmen with their target and achievement for each month. So now what we want to do now, we want to convert this table into this particular table. In a simple terms, we want to, this is a cross file. This particular file that we want to work with is a cross file. So we want to convert this cross file, we want to convert it to this flat file. That is what we want to achieve. So now we are starting with that. So now we go straight to Power Query Editor. So I just put my data here in another file so that we can start. So now go to data, I click on anywhere in the data, then go to data tab and then click from table range. So now if this is not checked, make sure you check it. I explained yesterday. So now click OK. Now this data will go into Power Query Editor. It will go into Power Query Editor so that we can start our cleaning. So now this is our Power Query Editor. You can decide to rename your data. So now for this, I'm not going to rename it. I taught us how to rename our file, our data set, our table yesterday. So now let's just start our cleaning. Now the first thing I want to do is to use this our first row now. Our headers, these are the headers now. This is our headers. You see now the header, that's the title of each of the column. Column headers, we want to use it as first row. I want it to be the first row, not this. So now I will just go to Home tab, then you will see this use first row as header, but that's not what we want to use. We want to use header. There are 2 options there. Just click this arrow, then you will use the second option, which is the first row as header. So now that's what I'm going to click. Now we've achieved that now. So the next thing is to transpose my data to make it in a in another format. I just want to transpose it. So now how do I do transpose? Click on any of the column, then go to transform tab, then click transpose. Now you see, now we transpose our data. Now the next thing now is to use our first row as header. I'm going to use this first row here. I want to use it as header now. So now go back to Home tab, then you will just click use first row as header. So click on this, use first row as header. Now we've used our first row as header now. So now the next thing is I want to unpivot some of these columns. So I will click on the first 2 column. Make sure you click on the first column, click your control key, make sure you are clicking your control key, let it click it, then click the second column. Now go to transform column and you will see on pivot. So click this arrow and then click on pivot other columns. We want to pivot other column. So now you see, now my data is in flat side already, but we still need to do some cleaning. So now the first cleaning I'm going to do is to rename all my data, all my column. So now the first one here, I will just rename it as remarks. Then this one I will name it as date column. I taught us how to rename yesterday. Just double click, then I will rename this as names or salesmen. Just let's rename it as salesmen or name. salesmen. So now this one, I will just name it as, let's say maybe, um let's say we can just rename it as anything, or maybe let's name it as uh expense or cost. Let's name it as cost, or amount. Let me just put it as amount. So now amount, let's rename it as an amount. Now if you come to this remark, you will, and check this arrow, you will see all these target one, target two, achievement. I don't want to be seeing that. I don't want to be seeing it. I just want to see just target and achievement. How do we do that? Now we are going to be using split column function to just extract just target and achievement, instead of saying target one, target two, achievement one, achievement two. So now I'm going to click on the column, click on this column, then go to split column. How do I get my split column? Go to home tab, then you will see split column, then click the arrow. You will see split column different option, but what we are interested in is by the last option, which is by non-digit to non-digit to digit. So it will split from non-digit to digit. So I'm clicking that. You can see now it split the non-digits, which is the text, to digits, which is the number. So now I don't need this, I don't need this particular digit. So, and I will just right click and then click remove column. Removed. So now I've removed this. Again, you can rename this as remove this one. So now we have this. Now we have our date, we have our remark, we have our salesman, we have our amount. Now you can see now that we'll be able to, if you click this now, you will see that we are seeing just achievement and target. You know, now we'll be able to convert our data from cross file to flat file. It's very simple. It's very simple. So now we've learned today. Now the next thing you are going to do now is to close and load. Just click on close and load. Click on close and load. You can see now it's loading. Our query is loading. You can see now we have our data here. You can decide to now convert your date to, for us to have this, remember what we want to do, month and year. So now you can decide to now convert. Go to, click on this, click on your date, then go to home, then go to general where you can convert, then click on more number and click on, or what's it called, custom format. Then you will see, when you scroll down, you will see a different date format. So now, and it's month and year. You can see now we've been able to do that. We've been able to convert it to only month and year. And I hope you've learned new thing today. You've learned how to clean data in using another case study in Power Query Editor. They learn how to split column from non-digit to digit. You've learned how to use transpose or transpose function. You've learned how to use pivot other column. You've learned how to use first row as header, use headers as first row. You've learned how to do that in Power Query Editor. So now the reason why I'm using case study is for us to actually understand that, oh, if I see this particular file, this is how I'm going to learn it. So make sure you practice this, and also make sure you put something, make sure you comment on the, put comment. I want to see your comments to know that you are following this tutorial. See you in tomorrow's tutorial. Let's continue to learn together and let's continue to grow together. Bye.